Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Subscriber Saturday. Yes, this is the third video in the series and I am super excited about this one. And yes, it was a very close voting. But anyways, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel if you want to be in the know about the Subscriber Saturday. Essentially, it is a video that is made just for you guys, whether it is how to budget or anything about the 52-week challenge, questions or answers, anything like that. I put up a poll and y'all get to vote on which video we will be making on the weeks that I do not get paid. So this week, since it was super close in voting, we are going to do the video that got the most votes this week, and then next Saturday, which is in 2 weeks after our paycheck week, we are going to be doing the second video that was super close. I think it was like 50% to 55%, so that is really close, and we are just going to jump right into it. So today we are going to be doing the Etsy haul, and all of these, I have 3 packages. Those 3 packages are all from my friends here on YouTube, Instagram, Etsy. They have all of it, and I will leave their links down below, but I will explain to you guys a little bit about their channel, and I'm just super excited about this. So we are going to start with my good friend, Miss Jacky Budget. So I'm not going to flip over the envelope because her address and my address is on the other side. But Miss Jacky Budget, she is amazing. I recently did a giveaway with her a couple of months back and she's incredible. She has a YouTube channel where she does her budgeting. So she does like weekly check-ins and all that stuff. And she also has an Etsy shop where she makes stickers and she makes cash envelopes. Like, more power to her, because I do not have the patience to make cash envelopes. I'm sorry. I really want to, but not right now. I have so much stuff going on. But she reached out to me because she just finished her sticker collection for the rest of the year. So that includes like all the seasons, like any kind of stickers that she thought that y'all would like. She made them. And she asked if she can send me some, and of course I said yes, because she is a really good friend of mine, and I decided that I want to shout her out. So that's Miss Jacky Budget. I will link her YouTube channel, her Etsy shop, and her Instagram all down below. So please, you guys, go and subscribe to her and support her. So I did not open any of these. I mean, I opened the seal, but I didn't like actually look in it. So we are just going to open it. Oh my gosh, these are super cute. All right, so this is a little pouch that says thank you. So we are actually going to open this, hopefully. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'll work on it later. But essentially it has some cute little stickers that I can actually put on my computer or anything like that. So I see donut and I can see like an ice cream cone. But I want to open this later off camera because it's going to be a struggle. All right, so the first thing that I see is the payday that has money and coins. So that is super cute. And I love the feel of this, and it's not matte. I think it's not matted. I'm not sure. Callie, let me know. But I really love the colors and everything, and it's like, it's very crisp. Like the writing's crisp, the colors and the design, it's very nice. All right, next we have laundry. So that is super cute. We have Zoom meeting, which I have never used Zoomed in my life, so I would not know how to use Zoom, but this is super cute. All right, next is the weekend. So hello weekend in bold and cursive. So that is super cute. I do have another planner, but it's not an Erin Condren planner, but I could still use this. All right, and then we have grocery time. So that is super cute, and it has different colors, and then it has time, if you can see that in the middle. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. So this is her holiday. So first up, let's do Halloween. So Halloween is trick or treat. It has the witch's boots. It has Boo and pumpkins. This is super, super cute. I'm going to definitely have to use this for my planning, for my other planner that I have. Super cute. Oh, and here is another Halloween. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so next is fall. So fall has, she gave me 2, and it has a bunch of writings: apples, hay rise and falls, pumpkin spice, and everything nice, which, can I be honest with you guys? I do not like pumpkin spice. I'm sorry. I'm more of a s'mores or, yeah, not pumpkin spice. I'm sorry. Sorry, don't come after me. But I think it's still super cute. And then last is Christmas, which is my favorite holiday because I absolutely just love spending time with my family. And I'm more of a gift giver than a receiver. So it's always special just like watching them open the presents that I give them and all that stuff. So we have Santa, we have some wreaths. And fun fact, I've never went and got a real tree before. I think we had one when I was super young, but I never went to like a Christmas tree farm. But anyway, so that's super cute and says, Shirley, you are the absolute best. Enjoy. I love her. I love Callie. So go and subscribe to her channel. Go check out her Etsy shop. So she is incredible. So the next one that I'm actually going to be doing, which I'm going to cover my shipping. So this is from Jacky Budget. And she has a YouTube channel. She does a lot of budgeting. She does a lot of sinking fund stuffing. She does have an Etsy shop. And she wanted me to tell you that these are cash envelopes because I've been needing to change mine out. And she doesn't do cash envelopes. This is just like a special thing that she did for me because, I mean, I don't know why she did it, but I absolutely love her. She's just the kindest person ever. But she does have an Etsy shop and she's focusing more on her digital downloads. So go and check out all of her digital downloads. I'm pretty sure they are incredible. I haven't had time to look at them, but after this video, I'm definitely going to go look at them. I'm more of a, not a digital person, which, I mean, you could print it out, I guess. But go check her out. She's amazing. Absolutely love her. She is on her debt-free journey and I am all about it because I'm on my debt-free journey also, and it is just great having a support system and just talking about it and giving her advice and everything. So she is incredible. So I'm just going to open this off to the side and we are going to get right into stuffing. So let me just open this real quick. All right, so she just folded it in and look how beautiful these are, you guys. So they are floral. They have some have shiny materials. They're pink and they're green. They're so pretty, you guys. And then she asked me if I wanted to get holes or not. So I did opt to get holes because I plan on getting a binder, a small binder that is off of Amazon, I believe, which was like, I think it's like $12 or $14. So essentially I am going to be using these. Maybe, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for my sinking funds or part of it for my sinking funds or part of it for my cash envelopes, because let's just be real, you guys, I really do need to change out my cash envelopes. Like, they are struggling really hard, but y'all are so kind because y'all have not said anything about it. But look how pretty they are. I wish she would sell some of her cash envelopes because they are gorgeous, you guys. They really are. They're a nice size. They're not too small. They're not too big. And it's just going to fit. So let me just show y'all because I did just film another video. So it just fits very nice in here. So that is extremely awesome. But anyways, so this is Jacky's envelopes. Now, like I said, she's not doing envelopes, sadly. Hopefully she will do it in the near future. Or if you have a special request, maybe she'll do it. I'm not sure. You're just going to have to reach her out on her YouTube, her Etsy, and her Instagram, and all that stuff will be down below also. But thank you so much to Jacky Budgets. Absolutely adore you, and thank you for sending these out to me because they are going to be used. All right, last but not least, I want a giveaway, you guys. I know it's crazy. I never won a giveaway before, and it was super excited. Like, I wasn't even going to enter it. And then my sweet friend Katie Marie, who has a YouTube channel, she's absolutely the best. Love her. We have connected, and she's the best. I consider her a friend. I consider everybody a friend that I have mentioned already. But Katie Marie, she did a giveaway on her channel, and she had 2 Etsy shops that were giving away stuff. And the Etsy shop that I won was The Planning Dancer. She also has a YouTube. They both have YouTube channels. They both do budgetings. They are incredible. Absolutely love both of them. I've recently subscribed to The Planning Dancer because I did not know she existed. And I'm so glad that I found her out through Katie. And I mean, I've been binge watching all of her old videos, which are great. She also has a Instagram and a Etsy shop, The Planning Dancer. And then Katie has a Instagram and a YouTube channel. So go and check them out. They're super sweet. They have the kindest hearts. All of these people do. And they are just incredible, you guys. All right. So I do not remember. She asked me if I wanted one or the other Etsy shop. And I was like, I don't care. Just surprise me. So, but she gave me The Planning Dancer, like I said, and it says, thank you for participating in the giveaway. Thank you so much for your support on my little YouTube channel. It means a lot to me, and I really hope you enjoy the goodies in this package. Etsy shop I used for giveaway, The Planning Dancer. Love, Katie. Love you, girl. Absolutely love her. So this is it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's see. And it's thick. I have no idea what is in here. But I do see cash envelopes, so let's see. Ooh, these are, oh my gosh. And she left like a little bit of the laminate just in case I want to punch hole, just like Jacky, she punch holed mine. So she left these so I can punch hole, but let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6, so 6 envelopes. I could use these for the cash envelopes. Those would be good, and they are so pretty. Oh my God, they have such good design and everything, and I have no idea like how to make this. I really don't. I know it's laminate, and I think she laminated it twice. I think this might be vinyl. I'm not sure. I have a Cricut, but yeah. But she also included some little labels, so that is super cute. All right, so absolutely love these. These are gorgeous. Like, they're simple, but they're gorgeous, you guys. So 3 blacks and 3 purples. And then I'm just going to set this aside. So what else did we get? Oh my gosh, this is this is a ton. So I have a ton of like the budget stickers that I use for my weekly check-in. So you guys, I'm never going to run out. And I don't use red, but I can always use red. I don't use orange. I do use yellow for my fun. Green is for gas. I do have a light blue that I can use. So this can be either my budgeting, not my budgeting, my cushion fund. So that's interesting. And then sinking funds. Pink is groceries. And then I don't have anything for these. But you guys, you know, these are great. If I ever want to change out my budgeting stickers, my regular colors that I usually use, I can, because this is what I use right now. But if I ever want to change it up a little bit, because you know some people get bored, I know, change it up, make it more lively, you know. But absolutely love these. These are not as bright. They do have color on it, you know, I'm not gonna lie. They're a little bit more like a lighter color, but absolutely I love these. Thank you so much, The Planning Dancer. Like, you're incredible and your work is great. Also, I've never ordered from her either. but I'm very, very impressed. So all of her stuff will be linked down below also. So you guys, this is it. So we unboxed the Planning Dancer, we unboxed Jacky's Budget, and we unboxed Jacky Budget stickers. So, oh my gosh, look at this. This is like aesthetic. Thank you so much to everybody who has supported them in the past. And if you do not know any of these people, let me know. I will direct you guys to the description, and all their links will be down below. Please go and subscribe to their channel, check out their Etsy shop, go and say hi to them, like tell them that I sent you. And they are just incredible. I can't say it enough. And thank you for sending all of this to me. I absolutely love getting gifts, but like I said, I am a giver. So thank you so much. And I am very appreciative of everything. But anyways, so we are going to end the video here. Thank you so much to everybody who has voted on Subscriber Saturday. I hope this video helped you a little bit. You know, there's different Etsy shops that you can go and visit that has extremely good quality stuff, like the cash envelopes, the stickers, but you just gonna have to find them, and I found 3 of them. So like I said, go check it out in the description box, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more unboxings or any kind of budgeting or Subscriber Saturday videos. Anyways, hopefully y'all have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.